Hello guys! You who join with the product review are welcome to the Open Box YouTube channel. Are you really sad because your beard doesn't grow completely? No result from anything used? So, now you are watching the video that gives the most successful solution. So, let's go to the video. Today I present to you the most successful solution for beard and hair growth according to the Western science. The name of this is Minoxidil hair regrowth treatment. Today I have this 5% Minoxidil liquid from Kirkland brand. I confidently recommend this product among other products. This bottle consists of 60 milliliters and it is made in the U.S.A. Actually, Minoxidil is a medicine made for heart patients. But as a side effect of this, hair and beard growth has started. Therefore, nowadays it is used as an external coating for hair and beard growth. By applying this, the blood circulates very well. Just like adding fertilizer to a tree makes the plant grow well. Hair follicles also grow by getting blood well. So now you can understand that this medicine is more suitable for beard and hair growth. Okay, now let's see what is mentioned in this. Yes, it has already been mentioned that this is only an external coating. In addition, it is also mentioned that this is only for men. It is explained below that it should not be used. Let's see about that. Do not use if you are a woman, you have no family history of the hair loss, your hair loss is sudden and or patchy, you don't know the reason for your hair loss, you are under 18 years of age, don't use on babies and children, your scalp is red, inflamed, infected, irritated or painful, you use other medicine on the scalp. It is important to consult a doctor before using this product if you already have a heart condition. Okay, now let's see how to use this. We can use this twice a day. Take 1 milliliter at a time with the help of a dropper and wash the place where hair growth is to be done. Then apply it as needed and massage it with your fingertips. Don't apply to other parts of the body and avoid rub into the eyes. Although there are reports of people experiencing hair color changes using this, it does not happen to everyone. Underneath, it is mentioned that if things like heart pain, rapid heartbeat, faintness or dizziness occur after using it, don't continue using it. It is not the oil, therefore it is dries quickly. Apply 2 hours before bedtime at night. Okay, now I hope you have a comprehensive understanding of the Minoxidil hair regrowth product. So, you can buy it from websites like Daraz, eBay, Amazon. Although the time of getting results varies according to your body's origin and genetics, this product can be said to be a 100% effective product. So, the video will be stopped for today. I will come back soon with another important product review for you. So, subscribe to the Open Box YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Bye bye.